Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa fire elements na Sagittarius, zodiac sign. Okay? Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Isang subscribe, likes, and share lang po. Bigyan ko kayo ng reading for the whole month of August. Wala po itong date. Okay? General po ito, hindi po ito personal or private reading. If you want a private reading, okay, feel free to email Lola Baby. Tingnan ko lang, okay? What's in your energy? Masaya ba, malungkot? What's the message, the intention? Okay? Abundance is flowing. Okay? Yan. Abundance flows to those who believe in its presence. Okay? Yan. Mukhang napakaganda. Detachment. Let go of attachment to outcomes. Okay? Ayan. Ano itong detachment nyo? Detachment sa mga materials. Diba? Detachment sa... Ano pa bang detachment? Sa tao, di ba? Okay? Detachment sa mga weaknesses, gaya ng vices, okay? It's all about detachment. Para ma-balance, di ba? Yung tinatawag, your energy, your tinatawag buhay, the yin and the yang, di ba? The masculine and the feminine, okay? Para magkaroon dito ng katiwasayan, di ba? Ang buhay, marriage man ito, friendship, ano man ito, kung saan kayo is yung tinatawag, kailangan ng i-detach ang inyong sarili. Okay? Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your goals. Ibig sabihin nito, mine. Minamind ko na itong tinatawag na kaligayahan. Okay? Yan. It's like tinatawag, I am love. I am attractive. I am intelligence. Diba? Yan. I am positive. I am strong. Diba? I am capable of loving. Okay? I am capable of tinatawag creating good atmosphere, environment, money, okay? Yan, attracting. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag, ay Santa Maria, same shit, different day. Okay? Yan. Kung ano man ito, di ba? It's like tinatawag, sabi nating problema sa trabaho, di ba? Okay? Yan. Na, it's like, nagayaan, problemang yan. Di ba? Natapos na nung isang linggo, bumalik na naman uli. Panibagong problema, di ba? Trabaho man yan, sa health nyo man yan, sa relationship nyo sa ibang tao, sa marriage man yan, children, relatives, kung saan man yan, di ba? It's like, ano ba yan? Oo. Pabalik-balik na lang, halimbawa problema or panibagong problema, di ba? It's like, hindi na ba matapos-tapos yung ating mga problemang yan, di ba? Kumbaga, hindi na ba natin tatapusin yung tinatawag na away natin, maybe it's an away, di ba? Spiritual hater. Yan, okay. Hates on your spirituality, light, magic, power. Galit sa inyo. It's like yung tinatawag na, okay, halimbawa, sabihin na natin, you are full of wisdom, galit siya sa inyo, di ba? You are very religious, galit siya sa inyo, di ba? Kung sino yaan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, you are surrounded by demonyo. May mga taong demonyos, okay? Mga demonyitos, demonyo. Pwedeng asawa mo, anak mo, di ba? Kapitbahay mo, kaibigan mo, siblings mo, kung sino itong mga demonyitong ito. Di ba? Fake flexing, yan ha? Acts which flosses money. Acts, fancy, shows off. Yan. Meron dito, it's like tinatawag nagpapanggap. Okay? Nagpapanggap siyang mayaman. Nagpapanggap siyang yung tinatawag na milyonaryo. Nagpapanggap siyang wala problema. Nagpapanggap siya mapagpanggap. Okay? Maaring Kayo yan. Pwede rin namang mga nakapalibot sa inyong tao. Di ba? Okay. Mapagpanggap. Hindi maamin. Ito yung tinatawag na it's like, siguro, mahilig ito magpantasya. Okay? Na siya is maganda or pugi, na siya is mayaman, na siya is attractive, di ba? Mapagpanggap. Kamatis na yan. Let's see the energy that yung tinatawag na the energy inside you, okay? What's in your energy? Yan ha. So naririto ang tinatawag na the Hierophant, di ba? So it's all about your blessings. Very, very blessed kayo, di ba? It's like tinatawag na napakabait mong tao, napakabait mong magbigay ng payo, 'di ba? Maaring dito yung tinatawag na lapat ang mga tao sa inyo. Kumbaga dito pagka nasa paligid sila sa inyo is alam nilang they are safe, okay? Within your tinatawag palibot, nasa palibot nyo, 'di ba? Yan. So maaring kayo din yan, 'di ba? Yung tinatawag na matalino ka, 'di ba? It's like maulirang kang asawa, maulirang kang ama, maulirang kang boss, 'di ba? Maulirang kang trabahador, 'di ba? So for some of you, it's like tinatawag na alam mo palagi ang sagot. Maybe you're a visionary, okay? Yan, you're a visionary. Maaring for some of you yung tinatawag na mas nakikita mo ang hindi nila nakikita. Diba? Yan. Kaya marami dito tinatawag, gustong-gusto ang inyong tinatawag lights energy, diba? Attracted sila sa inyo. So, narito yung tinatawag na the Three of Swords, diba? So, ano itong the Three of Swords na ito? There's something to do about mind and soul, diba? So, nakikita ko for some of you is yung tinatawag na balance ang kanyang mind and spirit, mind and soul, mind and hearts, di ba? Very, very balanced. Kasi pag sinabi mong the Three of Swords is about heartbroken, di ba? Heartbreaking, yan. May galit, di ba? Maari din naman, kaya lumabas ang the Three of Swords, meron dito mga taong galit sa inyo, di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na they don't have what you have. Diba? Yan. So, it's about yung tinatawag for some of you detaching yourself. Diba? From negative, halimbawa, people with negative attitude, with negative emotions. Diba? It's about detaching yourself. Diba? So, for some of you naman, ito yung tinatawag, meron ditong nagpapanggap. Okay na, kumbaga dito, yung nagpapanggap siyang hindi siya nasasaktan. Di ba? Yan. Hindi siya namumuhi. Yan. Magaling magpanggap. Di ba? It's like everything's okay. Everything's under control. Pero muhing-muhi na siya. Okay? Sino yan? Ikaw or sila? Di ba? So, meron ditong tinatawag na the Queen. Okay? The Queen of Swords. Yan ha. So, it's about a relationship. So, either ito yung tinatawag na mag-asawa. Diba? Yan. Maaari itong mag-asawang ito is yung tinatawag may mga differences. It's about differences. Okay? Sa isa't isa. Diba? Maaring sabihin na nating very chaotic, okay? Itong tinatawag na relationship. It's like tinatawag publicly, akala mo is yung tinatawag model husband and wife sila, di ba? It's like tinatawag na you're a role model sa society sapagkat nakikita yung tinatawag mapagmahal kayo sa isa't isa. Pero sa loob ng bahay, sabunutan, suntukan, kumbaga, di ba? Okay? It's like tinatawag this person, what they are showing publicly, okay, is not what's happening inside the house, 'di ba? Iba ang pinakikita sa labas at iba ang nakikita sa loob ng bahay, 'di ba? So maaring sabihin na natin, kabait-bait nito sa labas, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito yung dami itong mga friends, yan. Hangang-hanga mga tao, pero sa loob ng bahay, naku po, Santa Maria, 'di ba? It's like chaotic, yan. Kumbaga dito, naku po, Diyos ko po, pagkabait-bait niya sa labas, pero dito sa loob ng bahay, impacto. 'Di ba? Yan. So, whoever is this, nakikita dito yung tinatawag the feminine side of this person. Okay? Ibig sabihin itong taong ito is it's more about their minds, okay? Minds over their emotions, okay? It's like they are not affected, di ba? They are ruled by their minds. They are not ruled by their emotions, di ba? Kaya dito, it's like tinatawag marami nasasaktan, di ba? Yan, maaring sabihin na natin napaka-straightforward, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na kung magsalita is direct to the point, di ba? So meron dito, it's like tinatawag na consultation, maaring consultation to the, anong tawag dito? Marriage counselor, di ba? A psychologist, psychiatrist, sapagkat pumagit na ang the energy of the Three of Swords. Okay? So, ano ito? Lumabas dito ang tinatawag na the Six. Okay? The Six of Swords. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin, itong relationship na ito, okay, is very, very chaotic. Yan. Pwede rin, di ba? Okay? Or pwede rin naman sabihin relationship, okay, between man and woman, their children, their family, loved ones. Ilagay natin sa positive, di ba? Pwede rin naman sabihin na nating tinatawag na nagmamahalan, di ba? Isang tahanan, nagmamahalan, punong-puno ng pagmamahalan, di ba? Maaring punong-puno ng pagsusunod-sunuran, di ba? Maybe sabihin natin, kayo nga ang tinatawag na role model sa society, sa neighborhood, sa community, di ba? It's like how the people see you, okay? How the people analyze, okay, your relationship within your community, inside your house, your family, di ba? Mabagsik to. Okay. So, meron ditong tinatawag na, meron dito lalaking Sagittarius, may balbas, okay? Siguro ito yung mga, halimbawa sabihin natin nasa 50 pataas, okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag na Sagittarius na baka ang asawa ng Sagittarius is very, very feminine. Maybe their wife is belongs to the tinatawag mga air sign or the water sign, okay? Yan. So, the same, maybe yung tinatawag na, sandali lang ha, okay? Calculate. Masyadong calculated ang mind nito, okay? Either itong tinatawag Sagittarius or kung sino itong kanilang kadil sa everyday life, okay? So, narito yung tinatawag na, last card na tayo. Ano ito? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. The Nine of Pentacles, di ba? Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, itong taong ito is yung tinatawag na the fruit of their labor. Okay? It's about their morality. Yan. Okay? It's about their morality. It's about tinatawag na pagiging obedient. Okay? Yan. Pagiging responsible. Diba? It's about their duty. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, meron dito yung tinatawag, maganda ang kanilang pangalan, maganda ang reputasyon, maganda ang pagkatao. I think this person is investing. Kaya nag-i-invest siya sa kanyang tinatawag na pagkatao. Di ba? Yan. Yun ang nakikita ko ha. For some of you, people are looking up. Okay? You are looked up by people. Okay? Yan. You are looked up by your, sabihin natin, mga asawa ninyo. Okay? You are looked up by your enemies, di ba? You are looked up. Yun na nakikita ko, ha? So, nakikita din dito yung tinatawag na detaching yourself, okay? Sa mga taong, ibig sabihin nito, maaring ang kanilang energy is not worth your time, di ba? Yan. Sandali, ang camera Yan lang nakikita ko, ha? So, gamitan natin ang tinatawag na, okay, another tarot. Let's see what's in your energy. La 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 la. Napakaganda, okay? People listen to you and you listen to them, okay? You respect them. Ibig sabihin nito, you earned respect from them, okay? It's like tinatawag, you earned respect is yung you earn respect by giving respect also. Yan, ha? Okay. So nakikita dito yung tinatawag, hindi ka bias. Yan, no? Sa Three of Swords, you're not biased, di ba? It's like both sides you listen, di ba? Hindi ka yung tinatawag na dito ka lang sa kanan nakikinig. No. Okay? You're very, very intelligent. And you're very, very kind. Diba? Very, very persuasive. Okay? Yeah. Ganda ng inyong energy. Let's see. If I ever fall in love again, the Five of Wands. Diba? Nakikita dito your game, di ba? The Five of Wands. You're very game. It's like nakikita dito yung tinatawag cooperation. You like to help. You love to help people. It's like tinatawag if you're the boss, okay? You're not, hindi ka nakikita doon sa trono mo, di ba? It's like maghapo ka na nakaupo diyan sa iyong trono, sa iyong swivel chair, di ba? You go down to them. It's like tinatawag, I will teach you, di ba? Okay? Okay, tingnan niyo paano ako ito ginagawa. So it's very, very fruitful, okay? Whatever you are doing, kung ito man isa trabaho, okay, interaction sa mga tao, di ba? Kahit sa mga anak mo, asawa mo, neighbors mo, family mo, okay? Sa boss mo, sa mga kolegas mo, nakikita dito, okay? Na yung tinatawag na you are dependable, di ba? Okay? Yan, no? Kaya dito, kita mo. It's about your qualities, okay? So you are more of action, okay? Para matapos ang isang project, ang isang trabaho, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na you go with them, di ba? It's like, I'll give you order, ha? Lahat ito, ilagay nyo sa kahon, di ba? Kumbaga dito, bahala na kayo, di ba? No. Ito yung tinatawag, sama ka rin sa kanila, di ba? Kaya halimbawa sabihin natin, may time frame tayo, 3 days, tapos ito dapat, ha? Yan. Ibig sabihin, nakikita yung tinatawag presensya, di ba? Ganito. So, very, very, din kayo, game, okay? You love sports. Maybe you play tennis, di ba? Yan. It's like tinatawag, it's about showing off for some of you, di ba? Yan. It's like you show off your new auto, di ba? Your new caravan, your new whatever, okay? You love to show off, di ba? So you're full of energy, di ba? Okay? Dependable kayo, okay? Because you're a half man, half horse, di ba? So, malalakas kayo ang inyong tinatawag na stamina. Okay? So, the emperor, ibig sabihin ng the emperor na ito, very, very stable. Yan, ha? Okay? Stable ang iyong tinatawag na kabuhayan. Okay? You're in control. Di ba? Siguro, yung tinatawag maganda ang iyong pamamahala sa loob ng bahay, sa iyong asawa, sa mga anak mo, di ba? Very, very organized. Maganda attitude nyo, okay? And you're competitive, di ba? People are not, hindi sila naano sa inyo, di ba? It's like tinatawag, you're like a father, a brother, a sister, a mother, a friend to them, okay? And you're always visible, okay? You have discipline, self-discipline. It's like, I wake up in the morning, not 7 o'clock, 4 o'clock, gising na ako. Diba? Okay. So, ibig sabihin, you have a good business sense. Okay? For some of you, ibig sabihin nito, let's say, you buy a piece of a land, diba? So, sabihin na natin, in the future, i-utilize mo itong land na ito. Okay? You have a business, tinatawag na business sense. Okay? Yan. So, maybe you buy a house, ano mo ito, i-utilize mo as apartment, di ba? Yan. or someday, or let's say sabihin natin bumili ka ng bahay, bakasyonan mo, and then in the winter, di ba, habang sa summer, ginagamit mo ito as a vacation house, then in the winter, you use it as a B&B. Something like that, okay? Yan. Maaring may sasakyan ka, sabihin na natin yung sasakyan mo, pinaarkila mo din, di ba? Okay? Yan. It's about your foresight, di ba? Okay? Very, very magnetic ang inyong tinatawag personality. Di ba? It's like tinatawag, for some of you is merong mga na-insecure. They are insecure when you are around. Okay? When you are in front of them, they feel insecure. So, it's about abundance. Okay? Yan. So, affirmation, kaya sinabing the Queen of Wands, di ba? Okay? I am the light. I am the way. I am love. I am abundance. Di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, meron kayo. For some of you, you will be confronted. Okay? You will be met. Okay? Makakaharap ninyo. May makakatungga kayo dito, ha? Kapareho din ninyo ng tinatawag na energy. Okay? Both of you are masculine. Yan, no? Kasi ito, di ba? Ito yung tinatawag na the Hierophant, di ba? The Hierophant is an earth energy. Okay? At ito naman yung tinatawag na the air energy, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, either ito yung tinatawag makakatunggali. Okay? Meron kayo ditong makakatunggali. The same energy like you. Okay? Very, very fiery. Okay? Yan. It's about strategic. Okay? Strategic plan. Okay? They will use strategic plan. Okay? Yan. So, nakikita ko dito very, very sportive. Diba? It's like tinatawag, wala naman dito. It's like, walang, okay? It's like, okay lang, matalo, manalo. That's between you and them. May makakatunggali kayo, ha? Okay. So, nakikita ko dito sa trabaho, okay? Baka ito is ready to makipagtunggali. It's like tinatawag, tatanggapin mo yung hamon. May gustong makipagtunggali sa inyo, ha? Okay? Makipag-compete, tatanggapin mo yung hamon. Diba? Yan. Yan, ha? So, meron ditong tinatawag na, okay, a judgment. Diba? A very, very judgmental. A judgmental person. Diba? There is a trouble. Okay? And meron dito yung tinatawag na they are experiencing loss. Sandali. Hindi na ikaw ito, ha? Okay? Kasi narito ang tinatawag the Three of Swords. Okay? The Three of Swords to the Nine of Pentacles and the what? The Hierophant. Sandali lang. Ano itong Six of Swords, di ba? Okay? Six of Swords. Yan, ha? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na nakaka-experience, okay? Yan. Nakaka-experience sila ng loss, nakaka-experience sila ng, it's about frustrations, di ba? Okay. Yan. Yun lang, ha? Nagsasuffer sila, okay? Nagsasufferings. Maybe you are dealing with sandali, ha? Kung sino ito, it's like a mother, okay? Maybe your mother is suffering. Maybe may nararamdaman ng inyong ina, okay? Maaring siya is may sakit, okay? So there is a travel. It's like tinatawag na by plane, by sea, okay? Or kung ano man yan, it's like tinatawag magmimit, okay? Yan, mag-uusap. Because there is sufferings, di ba? It's like merong gumugulo. May problema, okay? Yan. Maring yung nanay ninyo may problema sa kapitbahay, di ba? Baka nanay ninyo may problema sa kanyang tinatawag na sitwasyon. Kung sino ito, it can be your mother, it can be your siblings, di ba? It can be your family. Kung sino man yan, di ba? Okay. So, yan lang ang nakikita ko, ha? So, meron dito yung tinatawag na your third eye chakra. It's about your five senses. It's very, very, powerful, okay? you can detect, okay? You can, yung tinatawag na nararamdaman, nababasa mo, okay? Yan. Tinatawag if this person has, let's say sabihin natin hatred, okay? Kasi narito ang tinatawag, the 3 of Swords and the 6 of Swords. Yan ha, okay? So, it's like nakikita dito mental reading. Yan ha. Very, very very, ang inyong tinatawag vision. You're a visionary. Okay? So, kung sino ito ha, meron dito, it's like tinatawag, you will talk to a person with a feminine energy. Maybe your sister, your auntie, your mother, your lola. At meron din dito the same energy like you, very, very fiery energy. It's like tinatawag na, it's a friendly, I think that's a friendly competition, di ba? It's a friendly competition. So there is a travel, a short trip travel, okay? At narito na yung tinatawag na the magician, okay? So what you are, it's about your affirmation, nakikita ko sa inyo, okay? So maybe ito yung tinatawag, you are parang kumbaga dito gusto mong makipagsapalaran. Baka gusto mong magnegosyo, 'di ba? Mag-open ng business, something like that, 'di ba? Additional money kasi narito ang the 9 of Pentacles, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag, meron ka ditong i-utilize, 'di ba? Let's say, ano i-utilize mo dito, 'di ba? Okay? So, maaring dito, i-utilize mo ang iyong tinatawag na friendship, okay? Maaring i-gather mo mga friends mo. Maybe your neighbors, community. Maybe sabihin na natin, for some of you, is yung tinatawag na you love to play tennis and gusto mong magturo, di ba? A coach, di ba? Or you want to be a teacher. Or you want to teach online, di ba? Or you want to sabihin na natin, whatever, okay? Yan. Kasi narito manifesting the magician. The magician is all about talking to people, talking to siblings, di ba? Or creating a business, or making money, di ba? Or fantasizing, or ano tinatawag dito, yung tinatawag na magneting, o kaya o yung tinatawag na radiating your power, radiating your attractiveness, di ba? The magician narito. It's more about yung tinatawag as above, so below. Okay? So, meron dito, it's like tinatawag, ilalabas yung kanilang mga galit, di ba? Yan. From the 3 of Swords to the 6 of Swords, di ba? So, meron dito, it's more about, sabihin na nating open air. Kasi the Queen of Swords is nakalutang, di ba? Open air, it's like releasing, okay? Para magkaroon dito ng tinatawag healing and forgiveness. Kaya narito ang The Magician. Thank you very much.